Hello and welcome to the second part of the video of how to or how not to fix a CD player. This is a mechanism out of Sony CDP-338ESD, and in the first part I showed you how somebody incorrectly routed the ribbon when they were replacing the KSS 151A lasers. Now the ribbon here is routed correctly, and that's how it should sort of fold and unfold. When I put it back together, the fault was still there, and the original fault was that the tray would go out and then retract it after a few seconds. Normally this happens when the limit switches are dirty. This is the one that senses tray being out, and this is the one for tray going in. So I had to remove the mechanism again, apply some voltage to the motor, tray went out, but that switch was not engaged at all. So I took the tray off and the bridge. I thought to myself, well, the tray in that position, there's got to be something underneath the tray that engages that switch. Well, there used to be, because I don't know whether it's visible or not, but this, whatever was there, is broken off. So whoever was replacing that head dropped the tray and basically ruined that player for good, because this is a metal tray and you cannot really get a replacement part for this 30 or 35-year-old CD player. So like in medicine, firstly, do no harm when you do servicing. You know, it's not rocket science to replace the head on it. I mean, mechanically there's a bit of doing, but it's not that complicated. But please do take some care. Well, that's all, and till the next one. Bye bye.